What's up everybody, I'm Seth Fowler and today I've got a very special unboxing. I actually got this package in from Adidas Germany, like straight up from Germany, not from like an Adidas warehouse in New Jersey or anything like that. But this package is direct from Adidas headquarters and it was overnighted, so I know it's something special. As I'm sure you guys have noticed, I don't do as many unboxings on this channel as I do reviews. I've actually just started using IGTV for most of my unboxings, so all the unboxings that don't go on my YouTube channel and all the sort of behind the scenes stuff that you guys don't normally see will go down on my IGTV, which is just my Instagram at @RealSethFowler. If you're interested in seeing even more of my content on a daily basis, make sure to check it out. There'll be a link in the description below. But with that being said, because I haven't done an unboxing on this channel in a while, I felt like this would be the perfect opportunity to open up this special Adidas package. I don't know exactly what's in this package, but I'm assuming based on the fact that Adidas just had me out to London for their POD event, which by the way, you guys have to check out if you haven't seen that video yet. There'll be a link at the top of the screen. But based on the fact that I just got back from that, I'm sure it has something to do with the POD or something relating to the POD. So why don't we open this guy up and see what's inside. The way I'm holding these scissors is like stupid dangerous. I don't know why I'm holding it like this. That's dumb. Try not to cut anything that's inside. I've done that in the past where I've been like a little too crazy with my slicing and cut open boxes and cut clothing and stuff like that. That was dumb. Well, it's not a box. It's a bag. Adidas invoice. That was my address, so I don't want to show you guys that. On the back side, we've got some like personal information that you guys probably don't need to see. On the front side, we've got this little tag that says Factory, Season, Fall, Winter 2018, Stage, Type, Confidential. That's exciting. Size, UK, unisex. I hope it's my size. It says confidential with this little red stamp. That's kind of cool. Should I be doing this unboxing on camera? Dope. I'm excited. Let me take this guy off the back. There we go. Okay, so underneath that piece of paper, they've got my size 9. Okay, so this is definitely a pair of shoes and it's definitely my size. That's good to know. Let me move all this stuff out of the way. We don't need any of that here. I don't want to rip it because I kind of like saving packaging from brands. It's always cool to kind of have like a library of stuff that I've been sent. So I'm gonna try and be really careful with this. Maybe I should do like a video, like a collection video of special packaging that brands have sent me. That'd be kind of cool, right? You guys wanna see that? Leave that comment in the comment section down below because that's something that I actually might do. Oops, ripping it a little bit. Ugh, there we go. Inside it looks like we've got shoes and a book. That's pretty cool. So let's see, what should I pull out first? Let's pull out the book first because the shoes are probably really exciting, so I want to save them for last. This is a nice book. Look at that. That's dope. It says process in sort of like this semi-gloss on the front. It kind of looks white in the light, but it's clear. And it's in a bunch of different languages. On the back, you've got the Adidas logo there. That's sick. There's the front again, just so you guys get a better idea of what's going on. Well, the printing is the same color as the Adidas POD system box that they gave me in London. So it's definitely a POD. Detective work, you know? In 1994, Adidas invented the point of deflection system to provide supreme cushioning for athletes. The system revolutionized midsole technology of the era through a radical construction of elements. Good alone, great together. Today we bring the same mindset to the creation of the POD system. That looks like the original sketch, or one of the original sketches of the POD. Oh wow. Oh, this is the original POD. Okay, there we go. That's awesome. They actually had this at the event in London. So these are some images, you know, from the original advertisements. And then a bunch of the torn up pieces that are used to like prototype new samples and things like that. There was a bunch of these at the event as well. There's like a huge pile of stuff. So as I'm sure you guys saw in that vlog, you know, we were able to build our own sneaker, and the way that it worked is they just had like a bunch of different pieces of shoes, like upper pieces, laces, outsoles, midsoles, whatever, and you kind of just sort of piece it together like a puzzle. And that's apparently what they do in their workshops when they're just ideating new designs. So these are all the different variations of outsoles that they were testing for the POD system. There's like pages of this, like individual pictures on each page later on in the book. But this is really cool to see the process of how the shoe came together. Like there's some stuff, like they're using cardboard and like foam balls. It's kind of like what you did in art class, or for me in design school. Just like playing with different shapes and different materials. I love sketching. That was my favorite thing in design school, was sketching. When I was working at my other design jobs, like at a kitchenware place, electronics place, and of course a dog toy place, I always gravitated towards sketching just because it's a great way to get your ideas out. If you guys want to see me do like a sketch tutorial for a shoe, that would be really cool to do, so let me know in the comment section down below. Then you've got the POD from 1995 and 2018 right there. Point of deflection, and then it looks like actually a bunch of pages to sketch on. So a lot of times designers like using these blank pages with dots. almost like a connect the dot sort of situation, but it really allows you to line up your sketches a lot more than like lines do, because lines sort of disrupt the design when you're sketching. These dots still allow you to sort of lay things out without getting too messy. This is awesome. Very, very cool. Okay, now we've got a note as well. I probably should have read this first. On the back it says ADCV confidential. Again, probably not so confidential. I mean, they sent it to me. I do videos. Please enjoy this friends and family pair of upcoming POD systems on behalf of Adidas Originals. Nice. That's dope. Some friends and family kicks. Damn, that's awesome. Okay, I'm stoked now. Let's do this. Let's do this. Let's see these shoes. Oh, let's go. So, here they are. Oh, they've got sample tags? That's so sick. Okay, here we go. The Friends and Family Sample POD system in this black and white colorway. This is actually the colorway that Pharrell was wearing at the event. So I've got a pair of Friends and Family shoes that Pharrell has. It's essentially just the standard POD. All the little white accents are blacked out, like you've got the POD system text right there in black. You've got the Adidas logo in the back in black as well. Oh man, this is sick. Okay, so a couple really cool details on the shoe. You've got this sample tag right here. It says season fall winter 2018, stage type pro. The last number, the quantity, there's only 670 of these. That's pretty cool. Model name POD S 3.1, category originals, core black, gray 2. This is really, really cool. And guys, look at that sample tag on the inside of the shoe. Look at that. I've never had a legit sample shoe sent to me from a brand. This is dope. This, I don't know if I can wear this, to be honest with you guys. On the bottom, you've actually got this clear plate that you can see through to this text that says confidential. That's awesome. These are something else. I don't know if this colorway is actually gonna release. I would assume that a black and white colorway would probably release. I'm sure that there probably won't be these sort of friends and family details like the sample tag on the inside and the confidential on the bottom. But man, this is nuts. Huge thank you to Adidas Originals for these. This is dope. This is really, really exciting. I'm stoked on these guys. I love the PODs. I think they're a great sneaker. If you guys want to see my detailed review of the original shoe, make sure to check that out. There'll be a link at the top of the screen and at the end of the video. Price point is great. I think it's $130. I actually have a pair right here. Again, I sort of had a hunch that a POD was coming because of the timing, so I put my PODs in the back, right back here because I assumed. But this is way better than I expected. Actually, I didn't expect anything, but this is incredible. So thank you so much at Adidas Originals and Adidas Germany and Adidas NYC. Everyone, thank everyone at Adidas. This is amazing. But guys, that pretty much wraps it up for the video today. Once again, thank you to Adidas for sending these over. These are nuts. If you guys would like to see a more in-depth review of this sneaker, make sure to leave a comment in the comment section down below. I know I've been asking you guys to leave a lot of comments down there, but it's only because I love to know your thoughts. And I'm not sure if I'm gonna do a review of these because I've already reviewed the PODs. So let me know if you wanna see that. Again, check out my IGTV at Real Seth Fowler. It's just my Instagram. There'll be a link to it in the description below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe if you haven't yet, and I'll see you all in the next one.